Well, it wasn't such a great day for the share market. The All Ords fell moderately by 0.6% as the worsening US and Iran situation continued to weigh on sentiment. But coal's managed to buck the trend. Its share price jumped almost 3% after it abandoned plans to take over Greencross, the company which owns Pet Barn, City Farmers and Greencross Vets. The price tag apparently would have been $4 billion, and investors weren't too happy about that, or the fact Coles would have been distracted from its core business of running a supermarket. On paper, it sounded like a good idea, given almost 3/4 of the nation's households own a pet. But retail analysts say there's too much competition, and there's a fair chance ownership rates may drop in years to come, especially once the pets we bought during the pandemic die and don't end up being replaced. Now, banks and miners were the biggest drags on the markets today, while gold stocks were hit hard after the price of gold itself briefly dropped below $4,000 an ounce. And the oil price is still hovering close to a one-month high. Meanwhile, the ASX didn't do as badly as other markets overseas, like Japan, Shanghai, Hong Kong and Taiwan. That's because those markets are dominated by tech stocks, which were caught in another massive sell-off. Basically, it's due to these ongoing on and off concerns about whether or not we're in an AI bubble. Oh, and SpaceX is now well below its issue price as the initial hype continues to die down. And finally, the Aussie dollar's rebound yesterday turned out to be short-lived, as it's now back below 70 US cents. And that's finance.